In this video, we are going to talk about how to start dropshipping in 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Considering dipping your toes into the world of online business but feeling overwhelmed about where to begin? Or maybe you're already running multiple businesses but want to try your hand at e-commerce to develop another income stream. Either way, dropshipping might be the solution you're looking for. In this article, we'll teach you how to start a dropshipping business of your very own, quickly and easily. If you've never even heard of dropshipping, don't worry. What is dropshipping and how does it work? Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model in which store owners, you, sell directly to consumers, the people who buy from you, without stocking any inventory. A customer purchases a product from your dropshipping store and a third-party supplier ships the item directly to the customer. The customer pays whatever price you set and you pay the supplier's wholesale price. The rest is yours to keep, your profit. Why start a dropshipping business? Entrepreneurs love dropshipping because of the low risk involved. You don't have to create and produce products, store inventory, or package and ship the products. You just sell them and pay the supplier their cut. There are even dropshipping suppliers who handle the customer service too, so if something goes wrong, they deal with the customers to resolve the issue. It's a ridiculously easy way to start an e-commerce business. How to start dropshipping business? The first thing to do when starting a dropshipping business is to decide what you're going to sell. This doesn't mean you have to decide on each product right away, but it does mean that you'll want to pick a niche that interests you and that will be profitable. We've found that it's easiest to make a list of your interests and passions, as well as thinking about the audience you want to sell to. Some examples of profitable dropshipping niches to consider in 2023 are sports and entertainment as well as home improvement. Analyze your competitors. Once you've settled on a niche, you'll want to learn who your competitors are in that niche and take a look at what they're doing. You can do this in several different ways. One way to find your competitors is through Google search. Search for one of the products you want to sell and see who comes up in the top 10 results on Google. This will let you know who your competitors are so you can check out their sites and see how they're marketing their brand and running their business. Figure out the logistics of running a dropshipping business. By now, you should know what niche you want to sell in, have a few products in mind, and know more about your competitors and whether your niche is profitable. Next, you'll need to navigate the logistics of starting and running your own business. This involves choosing a business name. It's a lot to think about. Find a good name for your business and check to see if that name is already registered as a business in your state. If it is, then you'll have to come up with a new name. Find a dropshipping supplier. Now it's time to find a dropshipping supplier. If you're using a platform like Oberlo or Spocket, you'll find a list of suppliers within those platforms. Otherwise, you'll need to find suppliers on your own, which can be a daunting task since there are hundreds, maybe thousands, of them. Some things to consider when looking for good suppliers is how reliable they are, if they have good communication, fast shipping times, and good rates. Build your dropshipping business store. So far, you've found a niche, figured out if it's profitable through competitor research, a good business name, and found a dropshipping supplier to work with. Next up, you need a store where people can buy your awesome products. If you're going with Oberlo, you're going to need a Shopify store. With Spocket or other dropshipping marketplaces, you'll have different e-commerce platforms to choose from. Once you've chosen your e-commerce platform and launched your online store, it's time to optimize your site so your customers have a better chance of finding you in the giant ocean that is the internet. Not only will you need to optimize your store to be found, you'll need to optimize it for conversions too. You can optimize your store to be found by having a SEO, search engine optimization, and you can optimize it for conversions by having a plain and simple design for your online store that is easy to navigate. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.